Today, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to improve your resume achievements and give your resume that maybe needed boost to start landing more interviews. Now, what you're looking for with resume achievements is not just like listing a task from your job. What you're looking for is a sentence that shows your value and experience as an employee. So, what does that look like? Well, let's hop right in. And we have heard the requests for more slower step-by-step videos, a little more explanation on the how of what's going on. So that is what we're going to do today. And first up, you want to have a few things open. You want to have your resume open, the job description for the job you're applying for, both of which are of course saved within the Teal platform. Then you also want to have ChatGPT open. We are using GPT-4. If you are on 3.5, the free plan, look at something called Bard AI, which is by Google, and this does use Google's latest language model. But let's go ahead and keep going. Let's take a look at an example of our before achievement to see what we're starting with. In the Teal resume builder here, we have an example job, and the achievement for it ran company, TikTok, and YouTube channels. Now, this is something that you might see on a resume. I've certainly put it on, one of mine before. And this is just kind of people's tendencies just to list their tasks, list their responsibilities. But it is missing a few things. First off, the kind of so what to this statement. You ran the company TikToks and YouTube channels. Okay, so what a company is probably looking for at this point is kind of the results of your work. It's also missing metrics, which add validity to the skills that you have and, proving that you can do the work. And then any reference to hard skills from the jobs to show that you do have the technical chops for this new role. So how can we make something like this better with ChatGPT? Well, let's go ahead and hop on over. And it always starts with the prompt. We are going to say, how would you rewrite the following resume achievement to show more impact for a social media manager job? Include metrics and highlighted skills in the results. Now let's break this prompt down just a bit to show why this is what we're writing. So first off, we're asking it to rewrite the following resume achievement. So we are starting with something that we are giving the tool to show more impact. That is what we're looking for. That is what you want your achievements to do. And then for a social media manager job, this is the job title that you want to give the prompt. So it has the context of what to write the achievement for, metrics, which we absolutely want in our achievements, and then also highlighted skills in the results. So that's kind of the breakdown of the prompt and how you want to think about these prompts that you're giving ChatGPT. And then next up, we're just going to shift tab down a couple lines and we're going to write in our old achievement and we're going to go ahead and hit run. And it gives us a few results. So this is kind of an interesting result because it's not quite in the format that we would want, but to take a look at the results and kind of analyze what we have here. So managed and grew the company's TikTok and YouTube channels. That's basically what we started with. We said ran and then managed and grew. Now it's turning it into an active statement. We're getting in some action verbs here, managed and grew. And then one of the things that was really missing from our original achievement is kind of the answer to the so what and then the metrics. So we managed and grew the company's TikTok and YouTube channels. That's kind of that's the what we did, resulting in, now we're showing results, a 250% increase in TikTok followers within a 6-month period. That's huge right there. We have metrics for the following increase, the amount of followers that we gained, and then also a time period to kind of give context about how effective our work was. Now we do have a few more examples right below that. You can take a look at those for yourself and compare against the top that we just analyzed. But what you want to do from this point, because obviously we have results here in ChatGPT and your resume is over here, is let's go back over here to our old achievement and we are going to hit edit. We are going to delete this. And once again, keeping in mind that everything here is accurate. Obviously, everything here is not going to be accurate, but let's take this top example here where I'm going to copy this whole part from developed and spearheaded all the way down to our results. We're going to copy it from ChatGPT. We're going to go back to Teal. We're going to paste it here in our achievement. And then we just need to do some editing to make sure it actually looks good. So developed and spearheaded the company's TikTok and YouTube strategies. Yes, that is what we did. We're just going to delete the achieving because we're just about to say what we achieved. And then we're going to say enhancing brand visibility as an active term. And then we're just going to connect those two up right there. So developed and spearheaded the company's TikTok and YouTube strategies, enhancing brand visibility, leading to a 250% surge of TikTok followers in 6 months. That was actually for us a 75% surge in TikTok followers within 6 months and a 10x boost in YouTube subscribers in 6 months. So that's just a little example of taking the results from ChatGPT, copying them back to Teal, making any changes so it's accurate to our experience and our skills. And then if we hit save, that is our completed and improved achievement, starting from ran company TikTok and YouTube channels all the way to this, which shows much more impact and definitely shows our value as an employee in a much better way. Just a quick recap, resume achievements, you're not just writing a task. You want to show impact with metrics, referencing skills to show a statement of value about your experience. As you can see, ChatGPT is a great tool for generating some new ideas or an improved version of your achievements, so give it a go. And if this video was helpful, do give it a like, subscribe for more, check out the Teal platform, and until next time, take care.